Alright guys, so I'm gonna teach you this cool trick that you can do in your car at any moment. Say like, don't ignore the gas light. Not my car, not my problem. But I'm gonna teach you this cool trick. If you ever have a problem, like say you have like a very loud noise coming from your car or something, you're not sure what it is, and you want to get rid of it, there's this trick works every single time. Like, it gets rid of the sound and it just works. Like, I don't know the magic, I don't know how it works, it just works. I'll show it to you. Watch this. See, like it worked. Other than that, see, it works every single time. I just don't know. It's weird. It's like, I don't know, like if there's a science behind it, but it just works. So yeah, there's your tip. I don't know what day it is, but whatever day it is that I upload this, call it a tip that day. I don't know what day it is. So yeah, we're gonna upload this video now, just so that you guys can fix your cars with that tip every single time. All right, peace out. Bye.